How you doing, guys? We're here doing the unboxing of the gong loader. They call it a track crawler loader. Well, there you go. Once you open the box, this is what you get inside. This is how it looks. You got the loader. Looks like your batteries, your remote, your tracks look like they're up there. You have your opening bucket up there, your regular bucket, and your directions. Let's pull it out. Actually, I'm impressed. It's got a little weight to it. These are metal. Arms are metal. Metal. Not bad. Got the little guy inside. Got your rubber tracks, your metal tracks. Here's your opening bucket. That looks like it plugs in. It's pretty cool though. Opens up right there. That's plastic and metal. Back is plastic. This is metal. Two batteries. I'm assuming one's for the remote, one's for the loader. Double chargers. Bunch of little screws. Your little radio. You gotta put the screwdriver in there. Pop her off. A little bugger. Oh, my shaking. That's just Parkinson's. I'm alright. Plug the radio in. Alright, we'll get those charged up. We'll show you what this looks like. Your directions. English and Chinese. Couple other. Should be alright with them. It actually looks pretty quality. I'm happy with it. We'll make the next video of it running.